Thank you, members of the press. Today, I, as Ramaki Plangat, Wakili, and our client Ngarue Jr. and Lodrick Chichiri Wakili, we appeared before the DCI. Today, Honorable Ngarue Jr. appeared before the DCI headquarters, Kiambu Road, and recorded a formal statement regarding remarks allegedly made by former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua during an interview on Inoro TV. Ngarue Jr. would be killed by the government and that opposition will be subsequently be blamed. That is the words from the former Deputy President. These remarks are unfortunate, reckless, and have raised legitimate concern regarding the safety and the security of our client. We have therefore requested the relevant investigation agencies to thoroughly investigate the matter and establish the intent and circumstances surrounding such utterances. Honorable Ngarue Jr. wishes to make it clear that he remains steadfast and unwavering in his political conviction and support for the leadership and development agenda of His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. He will not be intimidated or threatened or silenced by political propaganda, fear-mongering, or reckless statement from any quarters. The Constitution of Kenya guarantees every citizen the right to life, security, and freedom of political choice. No Kenyan should be subjected to threats, intimidations, or fear on counts of their political beliefs or associations. Our client remains committed to peaceful politics, national unity, and issues-based leadership. He will continue engaging with wananchi and championing development without fear or favor. We urge all leaders to conduct themselves responsibly and refrain from statements that may endanger lives, create unnecessary tension, or undermine peace and stability in our country. Honorable Ngarue Jr. remains focused, resolute, and fully committed to supporting President William Samoei Ruto development agenda and re-election bid. No amount of intimidation will deter him from the course. Today, we thank the media for appearing for us, and that is the statement we want to tell the media and the public at large. Thank you very much.
Maybe we have seen you coming out from the DCI headquarters.
Yes.
Maybe what was the purpose?
We were today in the DCI headquarters to present and our letter from our client Ngarue Jr. because of such threatening utterances from Deputy President, former. That utterances threaten the national security because we will not allow another casualty like Rachel Wandeto to be the casualty of political ignorance, such as the ones from Rigathi Gachagua. So that is why we were today reporting the matter to the DCI headquarters.
Were you attended to?
Yeah, we were attended to. Our letters were received well, and the due procedure will be followed, and Rigathi Gachagua will be called to board to answer such utterances. Thank you very much. You.
Okay. All right. Before Mheshimiwa speaks, I would like to add some few statements regarding the letter that we just presented to the DCI headquarters, which was received. We wish to note concurrently with what my fellow advocate has spoken to, that Article 26 of the Constitution of Kenya guarantees every person the right to life. Article 28 also guarantees every person the right to dignity, and that dignity be protected. It is also notable that Section 223 of the Penal Code clearly states that any words or utterances made that amounts to incitement, violence, intimidation, or promotion of hostility may attract criminal liability under the various provisions of the Kenyan law. Accordingly, we have urged the DCI to formally demand an immediate public clarification retraction and apology from Mr. Rigathi Gachagua. We have also lodged complaints with the relevant investigative authorities, including the DCI and the ODPP, because this letter was we CC'd the Director of the Public Prosecutions, and we wish to make abundantly clear that political disagreements must never descend into threats, intimidation, violence that may endanger the Kenyan citizen. That is basically the statement that us as advocates of the High Court of Kenya wish to present today, 8th of June, after the presentation of the official complaint letter to the DCI. Thank you very much.
What is your demand for your client from the former deputy?
Now our demands our demand letter, which we have presented to the DCI headquarters, is that we wish the DCI to commence immediate investigations into the allegations made by Rigathi Gachagua. We also wish that Mr. Rigathi Gachagua records a statement, and we require him to provide any information, evidence or intelligence in his possession relating to the alleged threat. And we wish also to make it clear that he establishes whether there exists any credible threat against the life of our client, and that all necessary measures be brought forward to guarantee the safety of our client. And we recommend any legal action arising from the findings of the investigations from the DCI. That's basically it.
Thank you.